Yo, where my nigga Malachi at, yo? Oh, there you go. What up, bro? What up, bro? This is another channel update. YouTube. With my brother Malachi and shit. All I gotta say is, whatever your name is, Ayo King, flexing on 360, I trash you, dog. Like, I really will. But you could come and but you talking about 1v1 on my video. You talking about 1v1 on my video, but you can't even. But look, you still on 360, bruh. You broke, bruh. You broke, bruh. What, nigga? What question you gotta make? Nigga, but fuck that nigga King TV. He a op ass nigga. Fuck him. He a op boy. Yeah, let's get it. Y'all wanna yeah, flyer. I'm about to send you. I'm about to I'm about to type in your name after this video. So get ready for this 1v1, dog. And I'm putting this shit on YouTube. So get ready. So yeah, YouTube. This nigga. I'm gonna put a video up if he don't accept the invite. Another skit coming out. What we doing? It's called Brothers Keepers and shit. My camera gonna be cool and all that shit. Yeah, I know how to work it now. I got software for it and all that. But yeah, I'm about to get an Elgato and all that shit. What you gotta say? Nigga, what are those? Fuck out of here, boy. What are those?
Not exactly, but I can't help but think it's
Fuck is you saying?
Okay.
Yo, nigga, the fuck? Oh, shit. Yo, but YouTube, this another video and shit. Peace out, yo. I'm out. Yo, Flyer, get ready for this 1v1, you bitch ass nigga.